Tesla Cybertruck will start production in 2021. And it got some badass manufacturer processes. Now, the up-and-coming Tesla Cybertruck has managed to split the opinion of gearheads and create tons of publicity for the Californian automaker. Like a few others before it, the good news is that Tesla has confirmed that deliveries will start this year and will be over 500,000 reservations. That's just amazing. They're already made, and a car can't come soon enough. There'll be a few deliveries of the Cybertruck in 2021, but volume production is set for next year, said CEO Elon Musk. During the company quarterly earnings call, the EV truck will be built at the Tesla new Gigafactory in Austin, Texas. It will make use of some very interesting construction methods, including 8,000-ton casting press to construct the vehicle's single-piece rear unibody. This is going to be amazing. Now, in the same call, Musk said the design and testing phase was truly over, and that the company was getting ready for the full-scale production. We got the design fixed. We're getting to it. We'll soon order the equipment necessary to make the Cybertruck work, he said. Musk also mentioned that the Tesla will be using larger casting machines for the Cybertruck. Where the Model Y requires 6,000-ton press, the Cybertruck will require a full 8,000 tons. Now, according to Musk, this will be the biggest casting press machine in the world, beating the previous record holder, the Model Y, by, you guessed it, 2 tons. This is just straight up amazing. This is one amazing truck. Must I say, one amazing Cybertruck. Now, the first version of the truck to arrive in dealerships will reportedly be a tri-motor version, which will decimate the 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds, as fast as the BMW M5 CS, and will have a 500-mile range. Now, the tri-motor truck will be capable of towing 14,000 pounds and carrying over 3,500 payload. Now, the cold-rolled stainless steel exterior can even withstand 9mm bullets. Wow. All of this can be yours for $69,900. And the question to that is just to bring it on. You guys, this is the amazing Cybertruck. And this is the Automotive Reviews. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.